Hey everyone, in this guide I'm going to show you how to insert portrait-style slides inside a landscape Google Slides presentation in the updated 2026 setup. And just to be clear from the start, Google Slides doesn't let you mix portrait and landscape layouts in the same file. But there's a really simple workaround that gives you the exact same visual effect, so let's go through it. First, create a separate Google Slides file and change that one to portrait mode. Just go to File, Page Setup, choose Custom, and set your portrait size, like 7 by 10 inches. Now design your portrait slide normally. Add your text, images, shapes, whatever you need. This will be your template. When you're done, download the portrait slide as a PNG. That keeps it sharp and clean. Now go back to your main landscape presentation, click Insert, choose Image, and upload that PNG. It'll drop onto your slide as a tall portrait-style page. Resize it from the corners to keep the proportions right and place it in the center or wherever it fits. If you want it to feel more polished, add a subtle drop shadow from Format Options or put a soft background color behind it. This makes the portrait slide feel like a real separate page inside your landscape deck. If you need more portrait slides, just duplicate the landscape slide and replace the image with a new PNG. That keeps everything lined up and consistent. And the nice part is, if you ever want to update your portrait slide, you don't have to redo everything. Just edit the portrait file, export a new PNG, and replace the old one inside your landscape presentation. So, yeah, even though Google Slides doesn't support real mixed orientations, this method works perfectly and looks clean and professional. And that's it. That's how to insert portrait-style slides into a landscape presentation in Google Slides for 2026. Thanks for watching.